Recording the sewer line here at 2051 East Crescent Street. The date is May 17th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out at the back of the home here. I've zeroed out the footage down there at the Seattle City main. We're going to come back from this point and get a look at this sewer line. The sewer line, according to the Seattle City map, is shared with 4 homes. Some homes up on Gaylor Street and some homes here on Crescent. Going to come back from this point. We're going to come into 6-inch diameter sewer liner. So at some point this line has already had a sewer liner installed through here. Again, this is that shared section of line. You see quite a bit of water running through it because there are 4 homes shared on this sewer line. So we're going to come back through this liner, and the liner looks to be in decent shape. Everything's functioning. Looks to be some sort of permaliner inversion type liner. And then back into a section of PVC pipe repair. So SDR 35 PVC about 23, 24 feet back from the main. And then back into a section of clay piping. So at about the 25-foot mark here, we come back into the original clay pipe. Associated with these homes, there's a tie-in on the upper left part of the pipe there. Upper left side of the screen. That according to this map, tough to say what that could be according to that map, but we're going to keep coming back from that point. Get a little minor root through there. And then back into PVC. So there is a section of about 7-8 feet of original clay pipe down there near the sidewalk street area. Now we're back into PVC pipe. So at some point this was all excavated and replaced. These homes are probably 100 years old plus. We are coming out of that larger shared section now. So this is where I believe we are coming into a 4-inch section of line that personally serves 2051. I'm going to zero out our footage and come back through here. And this as well is PVC pipe. And it appears to be 4-inch diameter. So my thought is that this is the only line on the Crescent, or we are on just the solo line for Crescent here. We come out of that PVC into a section of ABS plastic, and then back into our original clay line. So we're about 13 feet off of where that shared section is, and we're coming back into original clay. Let's zero out our footage here again. See some roots coming through. And there we've got a tie-in on the upper right part of the screen. We refer back to our map here. And according to the map, that may be the downspouts from the front of the house. I'm going to pause the video, go locate this spot, and test it and see if the downspouts are still functioning. Okay, I've got those located. It appears that is dead end, or those have been rerouted to a new system, the 2 downspouts in the front of the house. So we're going to keep coming back from there. Next thing we should run into is the stairwell drain. Hi. And I believe that is our stairwell drain. We go dump a bucket of water down that. We're going to locate that as well. Okay, that's identified as the floor drain, indeed, or the stairwell drain. Excuse me. Got another tie-in on the right side of the pipe there. Let's check our map and see if we've got a reference point for that. It could be the downspout at the corner. Let's come back a little bit. If we're coming up on the corner, that could be the downspout here. Does not appear to be the downspout. Alright. I'm going to go locate this tie-in and see if I can't figure out what is associated with it. Pause the video again. Okay, we've located that connection. We'll have to do a little testing because there's nothing obvious over there leading me to believe there's a downspout or anything, so we'll have to do some testing on that one. That one sits at about 28 feet back. Hey, here we're at another corner turn, or this is the corner here at, I believe that's the northwest corner of the house, and you're going to see there's an ABS clean out right there as well, at that corner of the house. So coming back through that ABS clean out, then we come through a turn, and I believe there's a downspout tied in immediately following that turn. We will test that here in a second. And then there's our second tie-in coming off the back of the house there. We're also going to need to do some testing on that. And back here, the line gets a little bit flat as we come back through the clean out. That's some settling of the pipe is what it looks like. That last joint or two. Yeah, it looks like some settling. So anyway, I'm going to do a little bit of locating here. And then we're going to end this, or I'm going to end the video now. We're going to do a little bit of locating. So you look, we got about 70 feet of 4-inch diameter pipe coming out here.